Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Kinemaster and creating a new project with the right aspect ratio. Once done, import your media, background video or image and any reference audio. Next, prepare your script text and decide whether you'll use Kinemaster's built-in voice tool or an external TTS app. Using external TTS gives more natural voices. Make sure storage and microphone permissions are enabled so you can import or record audio without interruptions. Now generate or import the TTS audio and place it on the timeline. If using an external TTS tool, export a WAV or high bitrate MP3, then import via media audio. Once the clip is in, zoom the timeline and align the audio to your visuals, trim leading and trailing silence, and use fade handles for smooth in /out. Make sure the narration level sits comfortably under music. Duck or lower background music by about 6 to 3 decibels so the voice remains clear. Finish by syncing captions and final visual touches, then run a preview to check pacing and clarity. Once satisfied, export using AAC stereo at 128-192 kbps and the project's frame rate to preserve sync. If you encounter issues, distorted voice, stutter, or mismatched timing, first re-import a lossless WAV version of the TTS, clear Kinemaster's cache, and restart the app. This resolves most glitches. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.